Now it's time for pressing. First, the old skin must be removed from the press, and it is taken away by a lorry from Russia that has seen its best days. Then we fetch our own equipment in our winery that we will use for the pressing. We arrange the hoses and the cubic tanks. We have the multiplexer, which can be seen on our label, which distributes the juice to one of the 4 cubic tanks. The input to the multiplexer we connect to the tray of the press. Then the team begin to fill and load the press. The press can take maximum to 3.5 ton, but today we only load it with 2.2 ton. As you can see, not quite filled.
Okay.
Here is the press schematic, the instructions how to run the press manually. I begin with putting in 400 millibar pressure, and the press starts to blow up the balloon inside the cylinder.
Now we have 50 liter of this fraction, and we should now add some sulfur to it. So we add the sulfur like this, and then we are mixing it in.
Sulfur protects the wine, and you can read on the back label as containing sulfate.
We have heightened the pressure a couple of times. First we took out the third fraction, and then the second fraction, and now we have 500 millibar. So now we take out the first fraction. When we have heightened the pressure a little more, then we will rotate, and we begin the second round of the pressing schematic. So now we have reached 700 millibar, and that is the end pressure of the first round in the press schematic. So we should now let out the air from the inflated balloon, and then I press this one. So the balloon is now emptied, and then we should rotate one turn by pressing this button.
All the time when we heighten the pressure, the wine drips down to the tray under the press. And always after each pressure heightening, we check the wine, how the quality is of that at that specific pressure. From the pressing we take out 3 or 4 fractions depending on the quality of the wine, and we judge each sample to which fraction to send this pressing to. The pressing covers 5 rounds with rotation of the cylinder between each round, and it takes approximately 3 to 4 hours to perform the pressing. After the pressing is done, we take back the fractions to our winery. Of this fraction we have 650 liters. Each fraction is taken to the tank where it should be racked and fermented. We pump it with our pump into the bottom of the tank. We set the cooling system to 6 degrees Celsius. Each tank has a movable top, which can be sealed by pressing air to an inflating band. Then we also mark each tank so we don't mix them together.
And now to the reward from the yesterday long effort and the full day of hard work. Here is the first fraction of the backyard vineyard. It has a lovely smell. It is perfume, and it is only used so far. It is a lot of botrytis from the grapes. And the taste, it is very good, balanced, with a crisp acidity, good concentration and full of botrytis. Lovely.
The only remaining thing is to clean the equipment. To produce 1 bottle of wine, it takes about 3 bottles of water. This was all from the pressing. See you soon. Bye bye.